Unlock your inner barista with the DeLonghi La Specialista Arte Evo. Tired of mediocre coffee? Elevate your morning ritual with the DeLonghi La Specialista Arte Evo espresso machine. This isn't just a machine. It's your personal barista, bringing cafe-quality coffee right to your kitchen. Imagine perfectly ground beans from the built-in conical burr grinder, 8 settings to customize your brew, and the rich crema of a flawlessly pulled espresso. Create stunning latte art with the powerful steam wand, achieving that velvety microfoam every time. Or indulge in a refreshing cold brew ready in under 5 minutes, thanks to DeLonghi's innovative cold extraction technology. But that's not all. The included barista kit makes the process effortless and mess-free, complete with a dosing funnel, tamper and tamping mat. With 4 preset recipes: espresso, americano, cold brew, and hot water, you'll quickly master your craft. And cleanup is a breeze thanks to detachable, dishwasher-safe parts. The DeLonghi La Specialista Arte Evo boasts a sleek, compact design and active temperature control for the perfect cup, every time. It's time to experience the ultimate coffee experience. Visit our product page today and start your journey to espresso perfection. Link to product